All right, hello everyone. This is John Jenkins, and my arm looks incredibly buff right now. I've been doing a lot of exercises, so my arm looks incredibly muscular. Obviously, so anyway, to make a long story short, I'm going to be working on a IP address validator, a validator. So basically, IP address is four numbers, each separated by a period. So four numbers and three periods. Uh, and then each number is between, I believe, between 0 and 255. It could be between 1 and 255, but I believe it's between 0 and 255. So I'm going to go ahead and make that right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, all right, so, okay, IP val, okay, 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 file save as IP val dot py, okay, all right, so, print, no, I'm sorry, gets equals input, gets equals input, input equals gets. Please press enter. Okay. All right. So I don't really have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So please press enter. Done. Okay. I don't really have to do that. It's really just optional. But okay. So here's the deal. So uh, def exchanger. Okay. Um, um, uh, okay, IP1 equals inputs. Please insert your IP address. Hopefully I don't have to do escape characters because I'm really not good at that. Okay. Okay. And now let's. You cannot start a variable name with a number. So NLE equals NLE IP1. Okay. All right. So okay. Def NLE. Okay. So before I even do that, okay, IP low equals 0. IP high. Well, why don't I do this? Why don't I do that and high, IP high. Okay, IP low, IP high. Okay, equals 255. And true valid 1. I'm just going to put valid 1 because I'm not sure if valid is a reserved keyword in Python. I don't know. Equals true. Or should I start off as saying false? So, okay. Def NLE and IP1. Okay. 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 IP IP list equals list IP1. Okay. IP length equals length length IP list. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 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 her. I guess I can do it. I guess I can do it that way. So for no, okay, no, no, no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did that wrong. IP1 dot split. I have to split it. Okay, by the period. I have to split it by the period. Okay, for word for num in IP list. For num and IP list. Okay. I guess no, that's not what I'm going to do. No, that's not what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is okay, and the no num let IP1. I'm just gonna put this in a separate. I'm just gonna put this in a separate def num. Okay, num let IP1. Okay. Okay. Shoot. Yeah, and I have to split this. Actually, do I have to? No, 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 no. So basically, yeah. So okay, okay, okay. So IP list 2 equals split IP1 that's split. Okay. If len IP list 2 is not equal to 4. Okay, return false. Okay, okay. Okay. So we'll see if that works. So for num in num list, for num in num list, if int num is less than IP low, or int num is greater than IP high. Okay. Return false. Okay. Break. Else. Return true. All right, so we'll see if this works. Okay. Okay. I guess what I could do is I could just remove that. Maybe that's not necessary. So this is probably going to be filled with this probably is going to be filled. I don't actually need this, do I? Okay, I probably don't need that. So why don't I probably have a ton. Yeah, I have a typo in there somewhere. As a matter of fact, okay. Let's see what this typo is going to be. This invalid code. Okay, expected def. Okay, def. Now that's a pretty obvious. That's a pretty obvious error, one that you wouldn't think I would make. Okay, so I have another error. Okay, I have another error. All right. Len, if len, okay. I guess if okay, maybe I'm supposed to put that in. Maybe I'm supposed to put that in. Okay, yeah, I think that's the issue. I think that's the issue. I think it's supposed to. Okay, I think I'm supposed to put this. I think I'm supposed to put this. No. I think I'm supposed to put this in parentheses. Okay, no, I think that's what the issue. I think that's what the issue is. I put a capital. Yeah, I think that was it. Oh, sorry. I deleted the wrong parenthesis. Okay. All right. So let's see. All right, I got another. Okay. Yeah, I deleted one too many. I deleted one too many parentheses. Okay, I got more. Maybe the return statement is wrong. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be. Aha. So the issue here is that I never called the. Now that's the real annoying one when you don't even call the function. So enter your IP address, 35. So 100.100.100.100. No, not 1000. I'm trying to trigger a. Okay. All right. So I made a mistake. Okay. All right. So I'm not even gonna go that way. 1.1.1.1. Okay. Okay. So I return. Okay. Okay. You know what? I think so. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it right now. I'm gonna change it right now. So uh, else. Okay. Else. Okay. Go ahead and okay. 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 So valid one equals false. Okay. So I didn't have a print. I didn't actually print the. I didn't actually print the. Okay. 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 Valid one equals true. Valid one equals false. Okay. Valid one equals false. Print valid one. Okay. Print. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's errors in this one. Let's see what errors I got. 1.1.1.1. No, not commas, not commas. So 1.1.1.1.1. All right, so I got some more errors. Okay, so why don't I go ahead? Why don't I go ahead and check this out, see what the error is. So 1.1.1.1. Okay. Local variable is referenced before assignment. Okay. Unbounded error. Valid one equals false. Okay, reference before assignment. Okay. I guess there's an issue. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Alright, so why don't I go ahead and put this in here? Okay. Perhaps you can't. Perhaps Boolean values are not global. Either it's Boolean values are not global, or I put the. I was supposed to put lowercase true and false. Okay. I was supposed to put 1.1.1.1. Okay. Okay. Print. Okay. Okay. I think I was supposed to. Okay. 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 Um. print, okay, print valid one, okay, print valid one, okay, okay, so why don't I take this off of here, okay, all right, let's see, let's go on ahead, open this up, and, okay, 1.1.1.1, okay, choo, okay, all right, okay, okay, so, okay, so I might want to change one more thing. I got a little bit of time. Let me change one more thing. So, okay. Total val equals 0. Total val equals 0. Okay. For num and IP list. Okay. 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 Total val equals 0. Okay. Total val plus equals 1. Okay. Okay. Break. Okay. Okay. I guess what I could do is this. Total, sorry, valid one equals true. And, okay. Print valid one. Okay. I hope that'll work. I only got a few minutes left. So I'm hoping that'll work. So please type in IP address 1.1.1.1. Okay. True. Okay, so why don't I go ahead and hit this. See if this works. So 400 times 1.1.1. Okay, so that is false. So I actually I don't know what it said. So okay, 400.1.1.1. Okay, false. Okay, false. Matter of fact. Why did it say double false? Okay. Okay. If when. Okay. break. Okay. Okay. I got 2 minutes left. Sure. Let's see if this can go on ahead. Whew. Alright, so why don't I go ahead, hit that up again, so, okay, break. So, I guess I'm supposed to put, okay, yes, I'm supposed to put, okay, okay, so can't use break outside of a loop. So I can't use break outside of a loop, so that wasn't the problem. Okay, can't use break outside of a loop. I got 1 more minute. Let's see if I can get this done in 1 more minute. Okay, 400.1.1.1. Okay, false. Okay. I don't know why it keeps saying. I guess what happened was, yeah, that's what happened. So why don't I, yeah, that's what happened. So that was the reason why that happened. Okay, so that's all I wanted to do. I pretty much got it working. I'll test it again to see if it works. So thank you everyone for your undying support, and have a great day and goodbye.